I'm at my food truck getting ready to replace this Acegoo Wireless Switch. It's really simple to do. I'm replacing it because my son was turning it on and off and he was pushing it too hard. Maybe he's been working out too much. But these are the lights. It's supposed to turn on the outside lights. And it's really simple to program. I'm gonna get in my food truck. I'm gonna walk you through the programming of this switch. And this is straight from Amazon. If you would like to purchase one, just look in the description below. As you can see, this switch is not working. Some spring or something inside of it is broke. I don't feel like going in and trying to fix it, so I ordered another one. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is it right here, straight out the package from Amazon. So the only thing you need to do is just take it out. And what you do, you locate your receiver and push this black button, hold it in for like 3 seconds or 4 seconds until it starts blinking. As you can see that blinking, and while it's blinking, just hit the on or off button once. That's it, it's programmed now. So I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on. And that's it. So we're gonna walk outside of the food truck and look at the light switch. I'm gonna show you how it works. If you've seen my other videos, this thing works about 100 yards away. That's the on. Then you click it off. And if you would like to purchase this, look at my description below. And thanks for watching. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you.